This is my Protosomes video, and it is all about the earthworm. The common name of the earthworm is the common earthworm, and its scientific name is Lumbricus terrestris. And this scientific name comes from the Latin root. The word lumbricus means worm, and terrestris means land, giving it the name earthworm. Its kingdom name is Animalia, its phylum name is Annelida, and its class name is Clitellata. So this is what the earthworm looks like on a tree of life. First, I put the cladogram so you can see kind of where it looks like, its ancestors, its shared traits. And then I put it also on this tree of life that I found from online that is cited at the end, kind of where you can see where it is in relation to other organisms. The earthworm's natural habitat. The most common natural habitat of an earthworm is in moist soil where the organic matter is really rich. Organic matter is any carbon-based compounds that come from living organisms in their waste. You may also find them in other moist places, such as mud and dead vegetation or under rocks and logs. They are often found by lakes or swamps, but some of them can just be found in your backyards. Some can live in the topsoil, while others may burrow very deep into the soil. How earthworms get their food. Earthworms are omnivores, meaning they get their nourishment from both plants and animals. They feed on bacteria and fungi that grow on decomposing organic matter. Small organisms, animal manure, dead leaves, and grass. The digestive system of an earthworm extends throughout its entire body system, allowing it to break down and absorb the nutrients in the soil. The earthworm's predator-prey relationship. Earthworms have a variety of different predators, such as many different species of birds, turtles, snakes, frogs, moles, flies, parasites, humans, and even other earthworms. A species of fly that feeds on earthworms is the cluster fly. Its larvae track the worm by smell, and they bury into it to feed on the earthworm's insides until they hatch into an adult fly. Only certain species of earthworms may prey on their own kind. It may be because they are very nutritious for them or because they just feel threatened of their territory. The only prey besides themselves that earthworms have is the microbiome of the soil. The earthworm's unique and evolved traits. A unique structural characteristic of an earthworm is the bristles on every segment of the worm's body that help it grip the soil as it travels along. These are called setae, and they are labeled here on this little drawing that I have for you. An earthworm's streamlined shape is an adaptation to its living burrowed in the soil and its need to easily move through the soil. The earthworm also secretes a mucus that allows it to move more smoothly through the soil, and it aids in hydration. Since the earthworm cannot see or hear, it uses vibration and its sensitivity to light to survive. The earthworm's importance to its ecosystem. Earthworms break down decaying organic matter into rich soil that the plant benefits from by supporting the plant's growth. As earthworms move through the soil, they leave their castings, which is like worm poop, which contain more nutrients than the surrounding soil and works as a natural fertilizer. These organisms also dig tiny narrow channels in the soil that aerate the soil that encourage the movement of water, nutrients, oxygen, and root growth. The earthworm's important to humankind. Earthworms help to recycle organic matter and keep our earth clean. In our gardens that produce our food, these worms help add nutrients to the soil. They help its structure, and they remove the layer of thatch that may block water from entering the soil. Thatch is a layer that you might have on your backyard of grass clippings and leaves that sometimes the water may not be able to get through to get to the soil. Ultimately, earthworms help to restore our ecosystems. And this is a picture of an earthworm for you. And these are the citations from different websites or where I got the pictures for my information. Thank you.